So just back at the Plateau design, which is an Ormo on the Gold Coast. You can see they've got all their gyprock in here. It's all locked up, just waiting for the plumber to turn up, and then they can put all the sheeting on. So down this end, they've got the master bedroom. There's a laundry there. You've got the master, the fantastic view. It's got a great view all the way along the house because it is on a sloping site. You've got the coastline out there of the Gold Coast. So you've got the master bedroom, walk-in robe, and the ensuite. You've got another bedroom just over here. Another bedroom there, bathroom. It's like a media room, open plan living, kitchen, butler's pantry, nice big balcony, raked ceilings. And this is the main entry door. So we actually got the window supply to make this up. Blends in with everything else. They've used a lot of the timber cladding as well. So it's got a combination of different materials on the outside. Over here you can see the clip lock, which is in Monument matte black. And on this side, in the same colour, is the Axon from James Hardie. So they blend in and they match really well, but having that combination of different materials is the modern look. And then down this end is actually set up for an office. So there's two home offices here, separated by a bathroom, and then an open plan area. And we've got one of the neighbours just hopping around here at the moment.